everyone, this is Bio. I'm the greatest man alive, and today I'm going to be doing a little vlog, and I'm at the beach right now with my friends. There's Alicia, Kevin, and Benji. Another person over there who I can't disclose. Well, he'll be the mystery guy for today. Give us a hint about who you are. Say something. That's not saying anything. Say something. Something! What if I'm running over there? We just got to the beach. Here is Alicia. Yep. Say hello.
Hi.
Set up camp over there.
Set up camp. We're gonna camp here 24 hours.
Yep. Go.
Here goes the carbonator.
Oh, this is good. This is good. This is so good. Here we go. So right now we're gonna be doing some football catch, and we're gonna see if we can actually get these catches. But I'm gonna bet there's gonna be a lot of fails. They're gonna attempt to throw this. We'll see how it goes. Oh my god. We're making a plan for the play. Ready? Go. Now we're gonna do some wave diving and body surfing, and we'll see how it goes. Didn't bring a boogie board today, but I think it should still be fine. Oh, you actually did it. I can't. Second try, take two. Here's Kevin right now. He's being buried. Put in a time lapse. You'll see the whole thing going on.
Next time we come to Beach.
Feeling 3, 2, 1.
Kevin on the field for the first time.